Selamat Sejahtera, I'm Yadishwaran and this is my partner Danishwaran. We are here to present our new invention which is called a stray food container. I'm studying in SMK USJ 12, Selangor. I have an ambition to become a veterinarian and I'm also interested in drawing animals and donating paintings for animal welfare societies to raise funds to support the strays. Next.
Hi, I'm Danishwaran. I'm 15 years old and I'm studying in SMK UJ 12. I have interest in watercolor drawing, especially washes method and designing. I also work together with my partner Yadishwaran in producing animal related paintings to be donated to animal welfare societies to raise funds to help stray animals.
Research shows that countries such as Japan, Korea, and Turkey support the strays legally. For example, their authorities provide strays food vending machines for strays. They educate their people to insert or throw waste items such as drinking cans and PET bottles into the vending machine to convert become food for strays. Whereby in Malaysia, most of stray lovers serve food on the floor as shown in the pictures below. Next.
Problem statement: MCO is a tough time for everyone, including stray animals. MCO closes many businesses and restaurants, which means strays which were depending on scraps and leftovers have lost their main food source. On the other hand, many lost their jobs and suffering without any source of income. Thus, they let go their pets because they can't afford to feed them. Therefore, the number of strays increased drastically. Meanwhile, there are good-hearted people in the society who are willing to help stray animals. However, some municipal council want to find the public who provide food for the stray animals to maintain the cleanliness of the area under their territories.
Objective of stray food container to support municipal council policies in maintaining cleanliness of the area under their territories, to save animals from dying for mine, and to create comfort space for good-hearted people who are interested in willing to help strays. Next.
Idea sketches. Various ideas were generated to solve animals' food supply problem. Finalized idea sketches were drawn in full-scale dimension drawing to visualize the actual size and for fabricate the sample model. Stray food container design before spray, and this is the finalized model.
Uses and applications of stray food container. Stray food container consists of food containers cap, food holder, food containers clipper, and food tray. Next.
How to use food container. Step 1, open the cap. Step 2, pour the pet's food. Step 3, close the cap. Step 4, the food will be stored, and finally the strays will start to eat.
Waste items such as PVC pipes are used or transformed into food containers to feed the strays. It would be very good for the environment because stray food container creatively designed by using waste material instead of throwing them. Many strays, no matter it's a dog, a cat, a bird, or even a squirrel can be fed. This animal loving and helping culture will be sustained by using stray food container for generations. Next.
Innovation product or project impact. The impact of stray food container are very significant in inspiring and educate public to love animals, maintain the cleanliness of environment, and give awareness that the earth is equally belong to all the creatures.
Authenticity and novelty. Google pattern search was done from initial stage of idea development. Stray food container totally different idea in terms of form, features, purposes and functionalities. Next.
The novel and innovative stray food container is clean, beautiful, cheap, and user friendly. Its novelty is outstanding with a design idea which can solve animals' famine problems. The structure of stray food container helps to maintain the freshness of animal food. This shows that animal food container is novel idea and addressing new issues whereby beneficial for strays which are starving without food and at the same time the creative design beautifying the environment.
Ideally, stray food container could be fabricated by using waste materials. However, we have estimated the material cost for mass production is 64 ringgit 70 cent. Next.
How to assemble? Step 1. Insert PVC pipe B into PVC elbow 45 degree C. Insert PVC pipe BC into PVC elbow 90 degree D. Insert PVC cap A into PVC BCD. Attach completed food container A, B, C, D into food containers clipper E.
Commercial potential or commercialization of straight food container. Straight food container is easy to be fabricated and packed to be carried. Next.
Thank you.
Thank you.